Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest updates and trends from the exciting world of information technology. I'm your host, and today we have a special video lined up for you. We'll be discussing the 7 best IT jobs for 2023. So if you're looking to take your tech career to the next level, you've come to the right place. Alright, let's jump right into it. The demand for software engineers has only increased by 0.4% from last year. The overall demand is still at an all-time high. Due to the continued evolution of technology, which includes artificial intelligence, machine learning, and blockchain, to name a few, software engineers are required to expand their knowledge and skill set to help produce software that is using the latest technology trends. Software engineers with knowledge of the latest technological advancements are guaranteed to earn a high salary as well as job security. The average salary for a software engineer is $64,500. Project managers are becoming extremely popular as companies are increasing project activities to keep up with digital transformations, and in turn, helping the business grow and stay ahead of the competition. According to PMI, by 2027, employers will need nearly 88 million people in project-related roles. Project management jobs are quickly becoming a way for people with non-technical backgrounds to earn the high salaries that come with working in the tech industry. The demand for project managers has increased by 8% over the past year. The average salary for a project manager is $57,000. A business analyst is responsible for providing business solutions and creating a strategy that will help the company develop and grow. They use data insights to analyze what areas need work, and then use their strategic thinking skills to provide solutions. Companies are continuing to invest in business analyst professionals to help provide a strategy that will give them the edge over competitors. The demand for business analysts has increased by 8% over the past year. The average salary for a business analyst is $55,500. Companies are becoming more data-driven and therefore producing and storing big data, meaning they become more vulnerable to data leaks, data breaches, and many different types of cyber attacks. In order to protect this data, companies are investing in security architects to help design, create, and maintain the security systems within an organization's IT network, including the computer systems and data. The demand for security architects has increased by 31% over the past year and are among some of the highest paid cybersecurity jobs. Over the past years, companies have continued to rely on data to make business decisions, from optimizing processes and products to reaching target audiences and ensuring the business is running effectively. Data engineers are employed to build systems that collect, manage, and convert raw data into usable information for data analysts and scientists. Therefore, the better the data collection systems, the more accurate the data becomes, enabling businesses to make optimal data-driven decisions. Find out more about data jobs here. The demand for data engineer has increased by 7% over the past year. The average salary for a data engineer is $67,000. The way we use technology is evolving, and companies need to hire UI/UX designers that understand the latest trends and that are keen to learn. So when they are designing consumer-facing products, they are able to use their innovation and critical thinking skills to create apps and websites that are better than competitors. The demand for UX designers has increased by 21% over the past year. The average salary for a UX designer is $53,500. With developments in artificial intelligence and machine learning, products are constantly being reinvented to keep up with the fast-paced advances in technology. Companies are utilizing emerging technologies to keep up with customer trends and expectations, which has resulted in a huge growth in the demand for product managers. The main focus of product management is developing a vision and plan for the product with the objectives of achieving company goals and customer satisfaction. The demand for product managers has increased by 8% over the past year. Find out more about the role of product manager here. The average salary for a product manager is $68,000. And there you have it, folks. The 7 best IT jobs for 2023. Whether you're a tech enthusiast looking to start a new career or a seasoned professional seeking to stay on top of the latest trends, these job roles offer exciting opportunities for growth and success in the IT industry. I hope you found this list insightful and inspiring. Remember, the tech industry is constantly evolving, so it's crucial to stay updated and acquire the necessary skills to remain competitive in the job market. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might be interested in pursuing a career in IT. And of course, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our future videos. We have a lot more valuable content coming your way, including career tips, technology news, and interviews with industry experts. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay curious, stay passionate, and keep exploring the amazing world of information technology. Until next time, take care.